Hello everyone. Today we will see subtraction in Excel. So let's start. To subtract, select a cell where you want to keep the value. Then start with equal sign. Select the first data and click. Press minus from your keyboard. Then select another data. Enter. This is your data. Okay. If you have multiple data, then start with equal sign. Select this one, press minus, select this one, press minus, this one, enter. So this is how you can subtract singular multiple data. Now I am showing another example. Here we can see revenue and expense data, and there is also a column is added here, profit and loss. We know how to do to get profit or loss. We have to deduct expense from revenue. If revenue is higher than the expense, we will have profit or we'll have loss. Okay, so start with equal sign, select revenue minus expense, enter. So this is how we can subtract the data. Now we don't need to do this to the entire thing. We can simply drag like this. So this is how we can generate profit or loss. If the data is presented horizontally, how we can do it? Previously we have did addition uh, multiple ways. For example, if we can take, okay, I am repeating this process again for addition. For example, I am add the whole revenue here. So I'm clicking this one, auto sum. I'm selecting the enter range. So this is the addition. And to add the expense, okay, auto sum, and selecting the enter date range and enter. So here we have total revenue and total expense. So how we can generate profit? Select the cell, give equal sign, select total revenue minus total expense. You can see the formula here. Okay, whatever the formula we give in a particular cell, you can see this in the formula bar. So the formula is complete. Now press enter. So this is how we can do subtraction in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.